Guys, brand new GR straight from Alabang. Ito full setup. Ito yung sagad with carbon steering. So ito yung mga old stocks niya. Ito babalik to yung mga mudguard, rear bumper lights, steering wheel, ibabalik natin siya. Ito yung napakagwapo nating GR full setup. Tingnan yung ilalim mo. Sway bar, GR mudguard, bumper light, rear seal, plate light, trunk LED. So ito yun, i-upgrade natin. LED interior. Brand new, 33 kilometers. Black liner, full matting. Ito mo yung labas, so black and white lang ginawa natin. Napakalinis lang. Projector fog light, JCL. Mahina kasi yung ilaw nito. DRL always on. Supersonic horn. Ito, skid plate ng GR. So ito yung upgrade natin. Sequential lights. Papakita ko sa inyo yung loob. Ito yung pinakagwapo. Brand new. Yun, oh. Ang ganda ng loob.